use it. Okay, so we've started the recording. This is our Canva main screen. We will go and click on create design and we'll go to poster. So a new tab will open here where we will start designing a poster on Environment Day. Now there are a lot of options here. You can upload photos which you want to put in. Like say you want to put a custom photo of yours or your family or anything. You download it from the internet. That is where uploads are. Photos are existing photos provided by Canva. Elements are different if you want certain shapes and sizes, or you want to upload a frame, a photo frame where the photo will come in, or the stickers if you need on your poster, or any kind of graphs or charts, lines, and these designs. A lot of designs can be used from Canva. They provided most of them for free. Then there's text. We can add a text. Definitely we'll add a text. There are different types. A heading, which is a strong, bold heading in big size. And yeah, this. Then videos, again, some videos provided by Canva if we need for the background. Then we move to the background. This is where we set the background of the poster. So here we'll set the background of the poster. These are some of them provided by Canva for free again. We can also set custom colors from here. We'll come to each one of it in depth in a while. I'm just giving you an overview. Yes, so these are the main things which Canva provides. Now for our poster, let's move to, right now we're getting a white canvas, plain white canvas. Now since it's Environment Day, let's use the green color. So go to background and choose colors and go to green color, and you can click on the green color over here, light green or however, whatever suits you best. So I'm going to choose a light background. A light background is generally something which makes a main content shine out or stand out. So I'm going to use a very light tinge of green. So here, let's take a moment pause. Let's give you all 20 seconds and you can do this step right away. Meanwhile, if anyone has any doubts, feel free to unmute yourself and you can talk it. You can raise your hand. You can use the raise hand feature as well if you have any doubts, or you can just directly unmute yourself and start talking if you have any doubt. Okay, once this is done, let me tell you how to.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, what do we name the poster?
Okay, what do we name the poster? Nice question. It's untitled right now. Let's call it Environment Day poster. Done? Environment Day poster. This is for your reference in future. Now, I personally feel that this background is also very dark for me. So what I'll do is I'll go to colors again, go to new color, and I'll use this circle here and make it a very light color. I'll drag it to the white. This part is the white side. So if I take it entirely here, it will become white. If I take it entirely down, it will become black. I want something, a mixture of white and green. So this is what I've selected. Your turn to do it. It need not be exact. You can set it to any very light tinge of green. So once this is done, You can come back to the Zoom so that you can see my screen. Meanwhile, I'll show you what other background images can look like. If I select this, it will give me a background like this, or I can select this. Recently, we made a poster using this background, or you can choose different themes. If you're saying, if say you're making something for your, for someone's wedding anniversary, you can maybe use this as the background. So Deepti, can you please repeat? I couldn't hear. So Deepti, I'm sorry, your voice is not okay. Fine. To do, what did I do to get that screen? All right. So I'll just repeat from the beginning. Everyone was probably seeing this screen at the beginning. You chose personal usage of Canva, then did maybe later for the pro option. Then you came to this screen and we went to this part, create a design, and we clicked on poster. And from there, we came to this section. Then we moved to background and selected a background which we want. So Deepti, your voice is breaking. Is it for me or is it for everyone? So we had chosen the background. We'll move to that background here. Yeah, so we have a light green background as so. Yes, Arnav, you have anything? Please unmute yourself and feel.
Yes, sir. While I was checking all the backgrounds, I found one which was covered with grass.
Okay, that's a nice suggestion. Thank you, Arnav. This one, right? We can use this as well.
Not that one, sir. I found another one.
This one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here you see this one is a paid background. This is not provided by free for Canva. We have to purchase this. So we can use alternatives which are for free. So for example, you see that this one is for free, right? It says free over here. We are not in the pro version and hence we are not using the paid versions here. What I wanted is we use a plain light green color so that we make everything on our own and not use what backgrounds Canva has to provide. So we'll use this for now. So once we have set the background, we now need to add some text to our poster. So move to the text section. First, just take a look how am I doing it, and then we'll take a pause and you guys can do it. So we move to the text section and we add a heading here. Click on add a heading. So you will get this text written. This is the default text. We will remove it and we will call it World Environment Day. Okay. And we will extend it. We will catch hold of this. Go here, click and drag it this way so that it is extended. Now, World Environment Day in 3 lines is not looking good, right? So we'll click on it, reduce the font size. It is 130 right now. We will try different fonts. We'll try 120. So this looks good, World Environment Day. Getting it fit in 1 line is not feasible because environment is a big word, but 2 lines is better than 3 lines. So this is font size has been set to 120. Now we'll click on it and then drag it up. You see, it's so easy, just simply drag it up and leave it here. We'll call it World Environment Day at the top. This is what the poster would mean. Now I'll choose a nice font. This font is quite simple to me. Let me choose a better font. Let me try, say, this one. You see suggestions are also coming in. Or if you don't want suggestions, you can click on this button and you will see a lot of fonts here. You can choose whatever you like best. So I am going to go with, since it's World Environment Day and something serious, I will maybe use a standard font. Maybe I'll try with this. It looks like this, World Environment Day. And I'll write everything in capital to emphasize the importance. Once this is also done, I see that, okay, day has come below now. So I'll edit it. I'll double click to edit it. Well, now it's editable. I will go before E and press enter. So that environment day comes in the next line. How we generally use in typing. Pressing enter comes to the next line, right? So this is how I'll do it. So World Environment Day, this way with size 120. Now we can also try increasing the size. I'll type 130 and see. 130 also fits. So let me use a higher font. Let me check with 144. Even this fits. So let's use 144 so that it becomes even bold and bigger to give more emphasis. So once this is done, I'll also set the color, font color. So World Environment Day, I'll choose a very dark version of green now. So to do that, this is similar to how you chose the background. So you select the text, go to font, color, this A, then we choose a green color and we move to new color and we make it dark. To make it dark, we will pull it down here. We don't want to make it black like this, neither completely green like this. We'll keep it something towards the darker end here. Right? Now it's your turn to do. Let's take 20 seconds and everyone will do it. If meanwhile anyone has any questions, you can raise your hand. I'll ask you to speak up. Meanwhile, others can do it. The steps which we took right now. To check whether everyone is in sync, I'd like everyone to message on the chat box a done if you're done with this step. I see Aditya has already messaged. Great. Okay. Others, Sudipti, Arnav, Amruta.
Almost.
Okay. People who are done, you can play around with different things. You can try changing the font. You can click on the text and see what underline does. You can set the alignment, left, center, or right aligned. Center is best. You can see what different buttons are doing here. You have a couple of options on the right side as well. See what transparency does. Try playing around with these things. So Deepti, are you done? I did not hear from you.
Bhavesh sir, what was the text that you used?
Sorry, what was the?
What was the text size that you used?
I used 144 as the font size. Based on the font which you have chosen, you can select expert hit and trial method basically. You can try setting a larger value, a lower value and see what fits. So Deepti, are you with us? I did not see a message from you in the chat.
Sir, I'm not that. I'm listening.
Sir, I'm done.
Okay, awesome.
Sir,
Yes.
while I was looking, I found a emoji button, and then there are lots of things like branch and stuff in here. So it can be useful.
Yes, absolutely. We're going to add some nice images. Let's see how it goes. Before that, I'd like to show you. Okay, Sadipti, got it. Okay, before that, I'd like to show you one important feature which we use in text. That is, just move to my screen and show you. Just move to select your text and click, we'll check spacing. Spacing helps us adjust the letter spacing. You see how in the background, the space between the letters are increasing. So we'll set it to what was by default, this, and even the line height. So when there are multiple lines in the poster, we can use line height to increase or decrease the line height. You see how it's the same line, but the distance between the lines have increased. So we'll reduce it slightly. By default, it was this much. I'll make it this much so that there's some more space is what we get. Otherwise, there's a lot of space here. So you can set it to something what looks best to you. I'll keep it like this. Now your turn to set it quickly. This is not very important, but you can set it if you do not feel the current line height is good. Great. Okay. Now to make it a little more enhanced, let's move to elements and add a black or a green, dark green border around it. You will see how different it looks as soon as a border is coming in. So to make a border, we'll go to elements. Just come back to the screen. I'll show you how to do it. We'll move to elements and we'll move to shapes here. We'll go to see all shapes and we will choose, this is a square, but this is a filled square. We need an empty square. Only the borders are needed. So we'll scroll down and you will see a circle. We'll use this. This is only a border square. If you choose this square, it will be a filled square like this. We don't want this. We want the border square. So we'll select this and place it here at the beginning, at the corner, and increase the size like this so that it matches with the poster. Right? Now it's your turn to do it. We'll take quickly 20 seconds and do it off. Once done, just message on the group. If anyone has any problems or facing any issues, just let me know. The ones who are done, you can try inserting or playing around with different shapes and see what happens. Maybe just try and explore so that the next time you do, you remember what kind of shapes are present where. Like we made a simple background, like a border like this, right? You could use this as well. See, this has a slightly more designing. So I'm going to maybe next time use this. So how it will look is I'll quickly show you. So I'll select, put here and do the same operation over here. You see, this looks like more a funky style. But for the sake of the class today, we're going to make it a simple one. Small shortcuts which you could use everywhere is, say you inserted this by mistake and you just want to delete it, select this and click on the delete button on a keyboard. Or the best shortcut is Control Z, which is undo. I try and keep telling these small shortcuts, and redo is Control Y. So I'll do Control Z. So I'll see you get, I keep pressing Control Z. I'm getting all the things which I did earlier. This is how we'll move. Is anyone who's not done yet, even the border? Otherwise, we'll move ahead to the next step. Okay. Now we've set the border. Now say we want to edit the font again. Just try clicking on the font, the border is getting selected, right? We're not able to select the font. That is because of the positioning. So imagine it like there are layers and we first place the text, right? And the border after it. So when we click on the poster, the border is getting selected. So we need to send the border at the back. To do that, select the border, go to position and click backward. So it will go to the back side of the poster. Now you'll be able to select the text. And if you click on the border alone, you'll be able to select the border as well. Right? So you can quickly do this. 5 to 10 seconds should be good for this. Fine. I'll add just a little bit. I'll use my arrow keys. I'll select and move my arrow keys to make it, position it appropriately. Just give me a moment. Okay. Once this is done, Arnav, you had anything or are you done?
No, sir, I had nothing.
Okay, awesome. So World Environment Day, this is also done. Now, at times we want to upload a picture or some kind of image. So let's move to elements again. We can use a lot of objects here or icons here, but we have a search option provided. So we'll directly search. Say we want to something related to environment, we want to add a tree. So I'll search for tree and press enter. So you see we get images of trees over here. Arnav suggested that we have smileys and a lot of things, even trees, which suits our Environment Day theme. We can use one of the trees from here. I am going to use maybe this, or if I find something better. By the way, this crown, what you see here, this tells that this particular image is not for free. It's in the pro version. So when, if required, we purchase the pro version of Canva, then we can use these. Otherwise, we cannot use these. So when it's your turn to do, choose any kind of tree which you like. I think this or maybe this, whatever suits best will be used. I'm going to use this. I like this more. So what I did is I added this. I clicked on this and I did not want it, so I pressed delete. So that's deleted. This is the tree I wanted. I placed it here. Then I increase the size, just like the text. And I'll place it, say, here. Like this. It is okay if it is going outside. No problem. And once you click on the tree, you have different options here to set the color of the leaves of the or the branch or the stems, what you can see. So I'm going to just show you that, say if it is we set it to red color, we can use this in if you're making something related to autumn season, then we can use this color, or maybe this color. Blue, obviously there are no blue leaves, but yes, I wanted to show you that we can change colors here. Same with the branch. So now you click the brown color and you see I select different colors and we see different colors over here. Now there's an option to zoom the image. Now you see there's some sort of discrepancy here. We want to clear it off. What I'll do is I'll click on the zoom button and increase the size. I'll make it say 75%. And now I'll scroll to that particular part and see what is the issue here. I see this is overlapping. There's a trick with which we can remove this part. This doesn't look very good. So what we'll do is we will send the tree to the backward position. So what will happen is tree will go back behind the border. See what happens. I'll select the tree. I'll go to position. I'll click backward. So now you see the border has come in front and the tree has gone behind it. So now it doesn't look odd. So these are certain features provided which you can play around and learn. So now when this is also done, I will say add another text. You can put a quote or mention the date when the environment day is. So there are two options. Either we just manually place it here. We can call it say 5 June like this. And or we can innovate something, do something better and put it in a different way. To do that, what I generally do is I go to elements, I choose a square, decrease the size and to make it look like this, something like this. And to make it not look different, I'll give it the same color.
Sir,
Yes.
when I place the tree, sir, I cannot click on it, and it's when I click on it, it's not. What you say, the width and all that stuff is not appearing, sir.
Okay, maybe it's because of the position. You can go and make it backward again, or adjust it such that the tree is behind, so that you see the border.
It's working, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we're going to add the date. We're going to mention it's on 5th June. So I'll go to text. I'll add a text and say I'm going to call it 5 June. Now I want to place it here. So I'll drag and place it here. But it doesn't look good. The color is not good. It's not aligned as well. I'm going to click this, make it. These are now small design things which you read and learn or watch, read different posters, study different color techniques and learn that, okay, something white here will look good. I can use the same font so that it doesn't look odd. A lot of fonts on the same poster won't look good.
So I'll use the same font. Recently used fonts will be at the top. So I'll use this as well, this exactly, and increase. I've shown you all these features, just using them now. And I'm going to place it here and decrease the size like this. Right? Now I want to slightly make this text go up. I'm going to click this and slightly, using the mouse, it becomes very difficult to do it. So I'm going to use the keyboard button. So I selected it and I'm going to use the keyboard button so that it goes up and down only very slightly in pixels, very, very slightly. So this is how I've made it. Right? Let's take 10-20 seconds and wait till everyone is done by this step. Meanwhile, if anyone has any doubt, feel free. Yes, Aditya.
Sir,
Yes, Shreyas.
how to write the date, sir?
How to write the date? Okay, so I move to text. Just look at my screen, I'll show you. I move to text. I say add a subheading because I want a smaller font this time. Then I click on it to edit it. Remove the existing text. I write 5JUNE. And then I click on it and drag it over here simply and place it. And then I change the font and change the font size, font color, and selected an appropriate font.
Okay, sir.
You can try it out. No problem. You can try it out and message done on the chat box so that we can be done. Meanwhile, the ones who are done, you can again experiment around, check for these font combinations. So these are also interesting things like this wild sale. Generally, we write things in this manner. So Canva has come up with such kind of combinations directly. So you just click on it, it comes here, and you can, so you don't have to edit the font and all a lot here. It's already there. You can just edit individual things inside it. Wild sale, say I want to make it 70%. So I'll, to edit, I'll double click on that particular part and make it say 70% off this way. You can experiment around, and to delete it, I'll select it and press delete. Okay, now let's come back to the Zoom screen so that we do the next step. I believe we've added the main title, World Environment Day, 5th June. Now let's add them. Oh, okay, wait. I see that 5 June is not exactly in the center. To see it better, I'll increase the size to see better. I'll make it say 75%, and now see. I see that it is slightly above. So I'll select it and press down arrow, say 2-3 times. So until I feel that it's in the center. Now it's in the center, I'll come back to 25%. Yeah, so the next step which we were talking about is adding some kind of quote, a quotation about the Environment Day. So to do that, we will first look for a quote. Just see how am I doing it. Basic computer knowledge. I'm going to open another tab, this plus button. this plus button, and I'm going to Google for environment day quotes and press enter. And I'll get a lot of quotes. Let me open the very first link and just copy some quote from here. While this is opening, Googling is a very important art. Choosing the right keywords to Google is very important so that at one shot you get the right results. No thanks. No, this is also not required. Okay, I only feel angry when I see waste, when I see people throwing away things we could use. This is not very much related to environment. Let's see something which is more suitable to environment. Okay, so since we've added something, yes?
I've got a good quote. I just searched one.
Can you share with us on the chat?
The quote is, yes, sir.
Okay, you can copy and paste it on the chat box. Meanwhile, I'll also look what I have got. Okay, maybe I'll I don't want in Hindi, in English only. Okay, let me pick the first one itself, or to show you how things work in a multi-line system. Okay, Arnav has shared with us a quote. It appears to be a law that you cannot have a deep sympathy with both man and nature. This is very nice, and with with what COVID lockdown has taught us, how we were dealing, how we were being selfish with consuming the resources and all. I think this is a very nice quote to do with that. Let us use this quote itself. Okay, he shared another one. Nature is the mother and the habitat of man, even if sometimes a stepmother and an unfriendly home. Okay, this is also interesting. Let me go with the first one. So I'll once you Google copy, I'll show you how to copy. Say had I been using this code, I would have selected this like this. We can right click and say copy, or for a shortcut we can use Control C or copy. Now we have it copied. We go to the poster, we add a text. We add a text line. And here we do a right click and we click on paste, or the shortcut is Control V. So I've pasted it. It looks like this. Let me use what Arnav had shared with us. This is what Arnav had shared, and it is like this. It's in a very bad format, no font, no structure. This is because I've just simply copy pasted it here. Now we want to improve the format. So everyone come to the Zoom screen and see how I'm going to do it. So I'm going to select this text. I'll choose the font. This is the quote. I don't want it to be all in capitals. And this font which we are using, Norvester, it doesn't provide small letters at all. As you can see, it's all in capitals. So I'm going to use a font which has small letters. Let me try this one, BM Hana. Let's see how it looks. This looks good, and it looks similar also. So I'm going to select this font. You can choose a font, you can explore around and choose a font which suits best to you or looks best to you. I'm going to use this. Now I'll make it center aligned using the alignment option.
You see, this is right aligned, this is left aligned, and this is center aligned. The last option, which is this is called justified. It is generally used when we're writing research projects or research papers to have it aligned nicely. We can use the center aligned one. Now I'm going to increase the font. This is small, it's not readable. I'm going to make it, say, I'll try with 64. 64 to me, it looks, sorry about this. Yeah, to me, it looks a little big. I'm going to try 56. 56 seems fine. But now, and nature, this part is in another line. I want it in the same line. So I'll try increasing this so that the lines are proper. This defines how thick are you okay to have the text. So it is defined, say I want the text only in the half part. So I'm going to drag and make it like this. So the height will increase to adjust, but the font will be in that constructed layout. I'm okay to have a font like this. So I'm going to make it like this.
Sir,
Yes.
how to do this writing? How to write this, sir?
I copied. Okay, how to write this. So like you copied and pasted in the chat, can you copy it again, the text, whatever you want to place, just copy the text, then go to add subheading. Then you select this, you delete what is existing, and then you paste it here. I'm going to use the shortcut Control V to paste it. It has been pasted, but the font is very small. So I'm going to select it like this. Somehow the font has come very small, and I'm going to increase the font size.
Bhavesh sir, I'm not able to connect with you.
Are you not able to see my screen, or how, Bhavya?
Bhavesh sir, I'm not able to connect with you.
Is it Bhavya speaking? Am I audible to everyone? Can anyone just give me a hands up that yes, I'm audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bhavya, what is the problem? Is there a connection issue?
Yeah. There is a connection issue.
Is it better now? Can you see my screen?
Oh. It says your internet connection is unstable.
Okay, let me try. This looks good. I'm in full. Is there anyone else who cannot see my screen? Arnav, is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bhavya, can you check the internet connection on your end?
Yeah, I'll just go and check.
Yeah. Do that. Meanwhile, we'll continue here and we can do a recap for you, a quick recap for you. Okay. So yeah, everyone, let's come back to the Zoom screen. Now, this font, let's give it a good color. A black is not suiting very much. It's not very pleasing to the eyes because
everything is green and brown, and then suddenly a black comes in. So let me choose a different color. I'll move to fonts, font color, and you see Canva provides this good feature of giving the document colors. It means all the colors which are in the document come here. So the brown which came from the page, I can use that brown and see how it looks. To me, this looks good. This brown. It's better than the black. I'm going to shift it slightly upwards. Yeah. To me personally, this looks pleasing to you guys. That is what my theory tells me. I'm going to try and make it darker, not entirely black, but slightly darker, using the same new color, and I'm going to drag it towards the black end. And I'm going to leave it this way. Take 20 seconds and set it to an appropriate font color, font size, and change the font style if you want. Meanwhile, to take a quick check, I'm going to take out the names, take names. Please tell me if you are in sync with us. Okay, let's start with Shreyas. Shreyas, are you in sync? Are you able to do it?
Yes, sir.
Wow, such a prompt response. Nice. You seem quite excited. That's great. Okay. Aditya?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. Okay. Amruta, are you able to work on it? Are you able to?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. Arnav?
No.
Yes, sir.
Great. Bhavya, are you back with? Okay, I'll skip Bhavya for now. Maybe he's reconnecting. I'm sorry if I take the name wrong, but as I can see the name, K. Sai Mokshit. Are you with us? Are you able to follow up?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. Any problems? Is the speed fast or any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Fine. Thank you. Nayana?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rochan?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shreyas, we're done. So Deepti? So Deepti, are you with us?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you for the confirmation, everyone. Let's move back to our designing. I hope everyone is still here, has followed till here. Okay. Now let's, what about this empty space? What can we add here? What can we do here? Let's think of something. Maybe we want to show whom is this poster from. So maybe we can add a from line. You can add your family name or your name yourself. So to do that, I'm going to add a text again. I'm going to select a text, place it here, and I'm going to say it from Bhavesh. And again, quickly, since I'm very used to it, I'm quickly going to set a nice, this looks small. I'm going to try with 42. I'm going to try some other font. This is one of my favorite fonts. Where is it? I'm going to use this. I'll make the color as dark brown again. I'll make it bold.
I'm done with my part. I felt like putting it here. I've done that. Now, say you want to improve it. You want to add it in a better manner if this doesn't look good. So something which I do, you all can also do is just simply add a square like this. Come back to the screen and show you this part. This is very useful. This is generally used to add contact number and links in the poster, or where to put the link. This is a nice way to do it. So I'm going to click on a square. I'm going to reduce the height to something around this much. I'm going to place it here at this corner. I dragged it up, and I'm going to increase the height, size, width of this to match it with the poster's length. And the color, I am going to make it brown to look like, say, this is the soil itself or something like this. Like this. So that it looks like the tree is also coming out of this part itself. And now I'm going to place this from Bhavesh. I'm going to drag and drop it here. But this time the black or brown doesn't look good. On a dark background, I need to have a very bright color. So I'm going to try white. Yeah. So you see this gets highlighted as well. And it takes a better position than here. Say I want to add my contact number as well. So I'm going to add text again and do it. But a better way is to, I'm going to select this, copy, right click and copy, and then paste it here. It might ask you to allow, just paste it here. Once pasted, I want to add my contact number to the left side. So I'll paste it here, double click, and I'll edit and add my contact number. Say this. And something you all should note that whenever you're giving your contact number, add a space in between so that it's more readable rather than this. So this is more readable, right? I can read in sets of 5 digits. This is how we do it, or we put it like this: 3 digits, and then 4 digits. I'm going to use the 5 digit format. This.
Sir,
Yes.
when I'm trying to make that square brown, it's not coming, sir.
Okay. Are you just take a look at my screen? I'll do it. You can follow it then. So I moved to elements like this. I went to shapes, see all. I wanted a square. So I clicked on square. And then firstly, I made the size as I wanted. So I reduced it like this. I placed it at this corner. And then went here. When I saw this symbol, I clicked and increased the size like this and left it. Once this was done, I went to color and chose the brown color.
Sir, I did the same thing, but it's not registering, sir.
What is the, are you not able to adjust the size or the color or what?
Color.
Color. Okay. Can you click on that box?
I clicked on it, sir.
And then just go to color here. You must be seeing green or some color. Click on that color and choose a color.
I did, sir, but it's in the document color, sir, and when I pressed it, it's not coming.
Are you not able to choose any of the colors? Red, blue, green?
I only tried brown. Yeah, any color, sir, it's not.
Okay. That is strange. Fine. You can leave this part for now.
we can take it right after the meeting ends. We'll resolve what the issue was. You can stay back on the call and we can do that. Okay?
The same thing for me also.
Same thing for you as well. Okay, so let's redo it. Even I'll go and delete this. I'll not have this part. Just a second, my office people are pinging me. I'll just text them. Fine. So here we were, right? We had added the text. Now we want to add that screen. Add that ribbon. We can call it a ribbon at the bottom. So I went to, yes, Arnav?
I can also make it like it's coming out from the grass.
Okay. So you can keep it green color, or you want to say try
Yes, sir.
roots or more grass over there. So you can go to elements and search here. You can look for say grass and press enter.
Yes, sir.
See, you have such nice images of grass. I'm going to use this one. And I'll place it like this. By clicking on it, it came on the screen, then I can adjust however I want.
Yes, sir.
And then since this size is so big, right, I'm going to make it go like this down, this way. It's okay if it comes out of the poster. We'll keep the part in the poster which is of our use. So we can keep it this way. Thank you for that nice suggestion, Arnav. That was useful. You can choose any of the other free images as well out of here. You can experiment.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to place this and see how it looks. See, even this looks good.
It looks good, sir.
I can reduce the size and place it here because these are generally shrubs, right? Shrubs and grass. These are not very big in size. I can keep it like this. You can also say you want to, along with the grass, you want to show a house as well. I'm going to look for a house and say I clicked on this house. I can place this house as well here. So this is just to show you how you can add images which are provided by Canva. But what happens is on a environment day poster, if I'm showing a house, it doesn't look good because it's going to occupy space and it's not even of any significance to the environment. So I'm not going to use the house for now. I'll show the ribbon part again so that you can resolve what happened. So I'm on elements. I click on the square like this. I reduce the size. I place it here. I extend it. So it's of green color by default. I click on it and go to color here and give it a color. This. It works fine for me. If there's anyone who's still facing issue in setting the color with this, we can take that after the meeting in the doubt session today itself. And as I was adding my text, I'm going to add from Bhavesh and quickly click it, reduce the font size to say 42, make it bold, set it white and choose a font which I like, say this new font I like. Or what can also be done is I'm going to place it in the center like this and call it say anything. You can call it from your family or from, I'm going to say from Bhavesh and family like this.
And I'm going to increase the width of this text and then align it in the center like this. So you can use a grass, but on the grass, adding this image wouldn't look very good, which is why I put a ribbon like this. People generally add their website here. If you've seen Orva posters, I generally add here www.orva.in like this and leave it. And on this part, on the left and right parts, I add the contact number and the Facebook link. Let me show you an example. These are the Orva posters, like the ones who attended the leadership workshop. This was the poster, right? You see, I had only designed it. So this part, right? I've added the contact number here, the website here, and the Facebook or the social media handles over here. Because this is what this information should be on a poster which gives some sort of information. Ours is okay. We need not provide our contact number. It's absolutely okay. To me, this font doesn't look good. It doesn't suit with the above fonts. I am going to use a simpler font here. This was a simpler font. Yeah, this looks good to me. I'm going to call it back from Bhavesh and family. Fine, we are here. Now I still see this part empty. Let's add something more over here. What else have we got? In elements, we have okay, we can learn adding our own photograph, a photo frame, to add a photograph of our own or our family. As I told in the WhatsApp group, right? We'll try adding something because that's something important we should learn. So I'm going to go to elements. Then there are frames. Let's go to see all frames. Okay, everyone quickly on the Zoom screen, I'll show you how to add a picture of your own. So I'm going to use a frame, something a little modern, professional, as well as a little casual, a mix of both. I think this looks good to me. I'm going to click here. I'll see if there's anything else. Yeah, this looks good to me. I'm going to click here and reduce the size and place it here like this. This should be the size of it. Now we're going to, now this step is very important. We're going to learn how to upload a picture on Canva so that we can add pictures. Like here I've added Srishti ma'am's picture, right? So we need to learn to add this picture, which is on a computer. So to do that, we move to uploads, the uploads section over here. I've already uploaded a couple of things. These are not, you must see this empty because you have not uploaded anything yet. I'm going to go to upload an image. Everyone do not do it now. Just see, upload an image. Then wherever your image is, just pick it from here. Pick it from wherever it is. So say it's in pictures or documents or anywhere. I'm going to see, look for a picture which I have. There are a lot of ones. Say I pick this one. This is me and my family. So I'm going to select this picture which I want on the screen, and I'm going to click on open. And then you will see it getting uploaded like this. Once that bar is complete, it is uploaded. To add it to the frame, I'm going to click it and drag and put it inside the frame like this. I'm going to drag it and put it inside the frame and release it over here. It gets added like this. Okay. Everyone quickly do this. Take 20 to 30 seconds for this. Look for a picture. or temporarily just upload any picture you want. We can change the picture later. Take this time out and add this. Then I'll show you how to adjust and crop the picture so that it fits.
Sir, I got the picture.
Wow, this is very fast. Nice. Okay. We take 10 more seconds and then come back and learn how to crop the image slightly so that the suitable part is seen. Maybe you need to zoom in, maybe you need to remove the unrequired part from the image. So let's see how to do that. So here, okay, back to zoom. We click on the image, then we go to crop, like this. Now you get this option. You remember this slight border which you see, this is what the part will be visible of your frame because of this the design of the frame. I'm going to drag it so that or maybe increase it like this so that everyone is seen. Say I want to show only myself, so I'm further going to adjust it, increase the size in such a way that inside this circle I see only myself. Once this is done, I'm going to click on done here, done. So you see now only I am a part of that picture. That is how I've adjusted or cropped it out.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you show again once again how to attach the frame?
How to
Yes,
attach
sir.
the frame. Okay. I'm going to delete this as well. To add a frame, then I go to frames and click on see all so that I can see, choose a frame, my interest. Say I want to choose, I chose this one last time. Say I want to choose a different one this time. What can I choose? These are, I don't want to choose these. I say want to choose this one this time. I click on it and it came here. Now I'm going to reduce the size so that a suitable size like this and placed it. Once this is done, I'll click somewhere outside. Now I'll go to uploads, clicked on upload an image, chose an image from my computer wherever it is placed. It could be anywhere depending on your computer. So I say I wanted to upload this. I click on this picture and click on open. So it will start getting uploaded. Once it starts getting uploaded, then you can click on that like this. It will come here. Or better, you drag it from here and release it in the frame itself. Go to the frame and release it so that it gets added. Then what I did is I clicked on the image, went to crop and cropped it for a suitable part which I wanted. So I wanted this part of the frame and done. So this is how I left it last time. Okay. I'm using Control Z to move to the picture which I had earlier. Yeah.
Sir, done.
Okay. You learned how to upload a picture as well. I think here we should add 5 June and I'll increase this. So On the screen, I want to add 5th June and then 2020 as well. So I'm going to click on this rectangle which we drew. I'm going to increase the size like this. Click on the text, 5th June. Increase the size of this as well. But first I'll write 2020, 5 June, and then I'm going to write 2020. It is coming down. I want it in the same here. So I'm going to increase the width like this. This is done. Now I'll adjust it so that it goes to the left. This extra part of the rectangle, I'm going to reduce that size as well. And yeah, done. 5th June 2020, so that it's customized for this year, 2020.
Sir, done.
Oh. Let's take 10 more seconds and wait when everyone is done. Meanwhile, you can try different things around. If someone wants to add, say, a line, I'm going to add a line below my quote to differentiate the image part and the quote part. I'm going to use, so I went to elements, went to lines, see all lines, and say I'm going to use this line. So I added this, I'll place it somewhere here. I'm going to use the arrow keys to make it move up slightly and change the color to brown. This is how it is. On the canvas screen where we use the zoom button, we have this button as well, present full screen. So that will make you be able to see the poster, how it will look in a larger screen. So this is how it looks. To come back out of the screen, I'm going to press escape. There's no other way. I mean, maybe you can click here or click escape so that you come out to the main screen back. So on this screen, bigger screen, I see that, okay, this line is not looking very good. It's not suiting here. So I'm going to delete that line. We shouldn't overdo things. So just simply remove that line. And something better which came to my mind is, rather than utilizing this ribbon space to write from, why not I place it below my name, below my photograph. So I'm going to take it from here and put it under my name. And I'm going to call this from Bhaveshan family. But this time I won't keep it white color. I'll click on it and make it some different color. Maybe this. And since it's light, I'm going to make it bold. Like this. Slightly adjust it so that suitable. And the space which we got here, we can utilize this to write something else. So what I'll do is I'll go to text, add something else. I'll put some message or some one-liner quote. I'll say save trees, save lives. Save trees, save lives. I'm going to place it here. Obviously it doesn't look good because of the font size and everything. I'm going to change it to, say, light green, very not white, this time the background color, and font to, where is that font which I like? It's called Montserrat. Yes, Montserrat Classic. Montserrat. And I'm going to reduce the font size from 76 to 42 is too small, 50 to 56. This looks good. I'm going to center align things and leave it here. This exclamation mark doesn't look good to me. I'm going to remove the exclamation marks and spaces. Or keep and center align it again and see how it looks. Right? Fine. Now I'll again check the full screen and clean up things. Can you come back to the Zoom screen if you're doing the Canva hands-on? So I see that there's a white line over here. This line, right? There's no line on the top, but there's a white line here. That means the border is not correctly set. I need to slightly increase it towards the right side. And same here, right? There's a fine white line and there's a difference here as well. It's not very clean. That is because of the width of this border on the left and the right sides. So I'm going to quickly adjust it. To do that, I'll click on the border and slightly increase it this way towards the right. It's going to be very gentle move. Otherwise, it will extend beyond it. It will go beyond. Let me see if it got adjusted. No, it went towards the left side more.
Sir,
Yes.
how do we enter full screen?
How do you enter full screen? Okay, just check my screen where I'm clicking. This button. Can you see? This
Okay, sir.
full screen. Yeah, click on that. To come out of the screen, you click on escape. Just click on that screen, go to the full screen and see if there's any more finishing and cleanliness required. You should do that now. Still see there's a fine line here. I'm trying to get rid of that. Okay, once this is done, anyone has any suggestions? If we can add something or change something or something innovative which we can do in this poster? Quickly, if there's anything. Maybe some kind of background texture which you can put, or some other quote or some image.
Yes, sir. I have another, what do you say, idea, sir. So I just searched up Earth, sir, and I found a picture of two people carrying it, and I just added it, sir. It's good.
Okay, that's nice. Everyone, feel free to innovate. You can look for a new picture. So you learned how to upload an image, right? You can similarly say download an image and then upload it. Say I wanted to save Earth images. Then say I like this one. I'm going to click here, download it and upload it and add it to my poster. So obviously feel free to innovate in those lines. To show if anyone is not familiar how to download, open a new tab, look for an image, say we want save Earth itself, or say you've seen that picture, right, where there are two hands and a globe or Earth, which those two hands are supporting. Let's try to find that. Earth supported by two hands. I didn't photos.
Sir, I found another one.
Great, feel free to download and upload it. Were you able to
No,
download
sir.
it?
I went to photos and I searched up Earth, sir, and it showed a little sapling growing up.
That's nice. We are relating it to trees. So yes, sapling goes there. Then I'm going to right click and download this image by clicking save image as. Click on save image as, save it, say you want to save on desktop. So select desktop, name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it Earth, just simply Earth, and click on save. So it got downloaded. Now I'll go to uploads, upload an image. I remember I'd saved it on desktop, so I'll move to desktop, Earth, the image which I downloaded, and click on open. So it will get uploaded and then I can simply use it. I'm going to use it here itself. I'm going to put it like this. Similarly, you can download and upload images, whatever you want. Once everything is checked and done, now everyone come to the Zoom screen. We'll learn how to download this finally so that you can use it. To download, use
1 second, sir.
Yeah, sure. Let's take 10 seconds. Everyone finish off whatever is pending right now. I'll quickly show you how to download so that you can then download it. Okay, so to download, we go to this button. You see, that's a down arrow. That means download something. So you click on the download button. And now there are multiple options here. File type. We want a PDF, or we haven't made a video, so there's no point downloading a video. Neither have we made an animation. So we're going to download a PNG image. PNG is a high quality. You can download JPG, PNG, anyway. Canva suggests that PNG are high quality images. I'm going to click on PNG and then I'm going to click on download. So clicking on download, it says preparing your design and done. It got downloaded over here. Then I'm going to close this and here we are. And this I'll open and see the downloaded image. Here it is. But I see that, okay, when I downloaded, this border is not very well. Here it's thicker and here it's not as thick as on the left side. So I need to adjust it.
Sir, it's saying pay and download.
Pay and download. Okay. Who is it? Arnav, is it you?
Sir, no. I accidentally added a thing which was premium.
Okay. You can still use a premium image. I'll show you, but that will come with a watermark. But still,
Yeah, but it's saying $1 since this laptop is from the US.
no, Canva is from the United States. The maker of
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. When I remove the image, it's also saying one premium image, sir.
Okay, you must have a premium image then. I'll show you how to download along with the premium image. So say let me choose a premium image. Say I choose grass and I added this premium image, okay? So say I had placed it here. Now when I go to download, it will show me pay and download. Rather than that, I'll select PNG as it is, and then I'll click on the small link over here.
download a free watermark draft. You can click on this and see what happens. It will get downloaded, but there'll be a slight small watermark.
Okay, sir.
Right? If you're lucky enough, you won't be able to recognize that watermark.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The water. I just added a shovel, and the watermark on it was very small.
Yeah, so you can manage with it. Even I use watermarked images at times, but it's absolutely okay. I found a small error. I'm trying to resolve that on mine. To adjust the border width. I don't know what is wrong with this. Shouldn't be this way. Once this is done, I'll move to file. And once I'm done checking the changes and adjusting things, I'm going to click on download, go to PNG and click on download. I don't have any premium images. That is why I'm able to download normally. Now I'll check it again. Okay, I still see a discrepancy here. Probably it's not getting saved for me well. Just do a refresh and redo it. Meanwhile, while I do this, let's just take a check again if everyone was able to follow it. Where is my show participant list? Okay, let me call one by one and let's redo the check if everyone was able to do it. Fine. Aditya, yes, you told me you downloaded. Fine, that's great. Amruta, all good. Were you able to download your poster? Yes, you had told me you are. We'll surely check your poster, Aditya. It'll be great. Everyone has to download and send it on WhatsApp. We'll do that step. Amruta, that's great. Okay. Arnav, I hope even you are done.
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay. Bhavya, are you with us? Okay, I'll check with Bhavya offline. K. Sai Mokshit, what is your status? Are you done downloading? Were you able to make it completely?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. Nayana? Couldn't hear you, Nayana. Can you please repeat? Maybe you are still on mute somehow. We are not able to. Can you text on the chat box? That will be best. Okay, thank you. Rochan?
Yes, sir.
Rochan, how do you pronounce your name? Sorry.
Rochan, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Shreyas? Shreyas, are you with us?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. Are you able to do it? Did you download your poster?
Yes, sir.
Okay, awesome. Thank you for your update. Sudipti? You can put on the group. Sudipti, you can put on the chat if you're with us. Okay. Were you able to do it? Are you able to download the poster? We're not able to hear you. Okay, you can put on the group on the chat box or you can WhatsApp after the meeting ends. Awesome. So this is what we had for today. this poster. Obviously, you can stay back and innovate as much as possible. Look for gradients. There's some interesting thing in gradients which you can add. Maybe, you know, add this, increase the size, and you can maybe add it here to make it look good. Or you can try adding clouds. Let me just quickly look for cloud. And free image, I'll select this yellow. I'll make it blue. This blue will make it look more like a cloud by probably setting lighter color or something like this. Maybe you can try adding a sun and play with positions. I'm going to make it go back so that the tree is highlighted in front. And similarly with sun, I'm going to add this sun here. I'll probably make a half this way, and I'm going to send it to back again. Position back this way, right? And adjust it so that the font here is seen clearly. It's all up to innovations and creativity which you can bring. So that is with us. Let's take a moment. If anyone has anything, please bring up any idea on this poster itself or any doubt which you think can be collectively resolved. Feel free.
So are we gonna have further classes more?
Further classes. Okay. So what my plan is, let's discuss and decide right now only how do we want it. So what my plan was, let's have this basic session. Now I'd request everyone by next week, before next week, put up one poster, one more poster completely designed by you with a theme. Maybe say if there's someone's birthday in your family coming up, you can design a birthday poster. Or say 14th June, if you guys know, 14th June is World Blood Donor Day. We all know how important blood donation is. So you can probably create an awareness poster, right? So you can check posters.
Sir,
Yes.
why don't we make some poster as a tribute to all the healthcare workers and all those who are working in this lockdown for us?
That's a brilliant idea. In fact, I had once making a poster, an awareness poster or a thanking poster for the people who are our warriors at the moment. You
Yes.
could do that. So yes, I leave it to you guys, what creativity, what themes, what ideas you want. And then within this week, I'd expect posters from all. And you experiment different things here. And next Saturday or Sunday, however, we'll schedule a new meeting where we'll have more of a doubt session. And on the group, you can try putting the posters. If you have doubts, feel free to ask me. If required, we can have one more session based on the feedback on the group and the requirement of the group.
Okay.
Yes. Aditya, you were saying something?
No, I wasn't. I just said okay.
Okay, awesome. Fine. That's what. So apart from this, you can experiment. You can use templates as well. Canva provides amazing templates. So you can edit a template as well. But I'd initially like you to design things from scratch before moving to templates. So yes, experiment around, and probably this week I'll put on the message on the group that I'm expecting posters, and we can schedule another doubt session or another set of session based on how things go there.
Sir, if we have time, can we go for some certificates or logo designing or something?
Yes, we can do that. So
if everyone agrees, okay.
You saw the certificates which were distributed from Orva in the activities you took part earlier, right? All
Yes.
on Canva itself. If you, let me show you here.
Okay. So I'll just check it out and I'll let you know what I came up with.
Definitely. Feel free to, in fact, everyone, this is a note to everyone. You can put a message on the group or message me personally. What I can do is, out of my free time, I can probably schedule a session where we can discuss one-to-one or in a group of 2, 3, however I get the responses. Then we can discuss on specifics, or you want to show me something, or you want to, learn something more. If you have a doubt,
Okay.
just feel free to put up on the group. I'll try and schedule a session as soon as possible.
Okay.
Yeah. So yes, that is all we had for today. I'll put further message on the group. Aditya, if you don't mind, can I open the poster which you shared, the tiny CC link?
Yeah, I don't mind. I don't mind.
Okay. So everyone,
No problem.
Aditya had downloaded and he had uploaded the poster and he has shortened the URL so that it's accessible for us. Let's see what Aditya has made. This is what Aditya has made. Looks good, right? He has taken care of the font, the color. He's chosen a nice image of the tree. This looks great, Aditya.
Thank you so much.
So everyone, just download the poster and share it on WhatsApp.
Okay.
Yes, that will be great. I'd like to see what everyone has made. So definitely do that. Okay.
Okay.
So if there's no other doubt, no other suggestion or queries, we can take a off from here. Further, I'll communicate on the WhatsApp group.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
No problem. Guys, I'd also like to, know from you all, if there's any further kind of session which you'd like on basic. So, okay, this was the first thing I should have done, but let me introduce myself. So I am a computer engineer right now working in Bangalore in a company called SanDisk. You must have heard of pen drives from SanDisk, right? So I work
Yes.
for SanDisk. And yes, computers interest me a lot, and which is why I'd always been into this. Apart from designing, I also make websites and Android applications for different people, like maybe I'm supporting Orva, similarly other organizations. And I primarily work with SanDisk. So I'm thorough with computers, basic Excel, Word, PowerPoint. I've done the advanced things and been working since long now. So if you want, we can take sessions on those as well. So I'd like to know from you guys as only if there's anything you'd like to learn in these aspects. We'll send what I'll collaborate with Srishti ma'am and see what best can be done. And we'll try to figure out, because computers, how important it has been now. So we all must know from this age itself. So
Yes.
this is all I had. If there's anything, you can stay back or we can take a drop now.
Okay.
Bhavish sir, I've sent you a photo.
Have you sent me on WhatsApp?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. I cannot see it, Bhavya.
I've sent you on your number.
Okay, got it. Okay, this looks good. Bhavya has also sent me a picture. Okay, I think you might find it difficult to download and share on WhatsApp from your computer. What best can be done is, like Aditya shared the link. We can also share it from here. Everyone can click on share button here, and there will be a copy link. Just click on copy link. It is copied, and put it on the chat box. Just here, Control V or right click and send it.
Sir, I'm not getting anything.
So I'll show this again. Everyone, we are on this screen where we're designing. Once designing is done, click on share. Optionally, you can make it share a link to view so that others cannot edit. No one would edit anyway. You click on link to view and click on copy link. Once this is copied, you can click here and paste it. Make sure this everyone is selected in the chat box. Otherwise, it will go as a private chat. So
Sir, I've sent you on Zoom.
okay. I received the link from Bhavya. Let's see what Bhavya had drawn or design. See, this is what Bhavya had designed. I see his poster. This also looks amazing. I see the font is a few suggestions if everyone can see. This is not center aligned, Bhavya. So as a next step, you can center align this
Okay.
quote which you've added. Also, this circle, it's nice that you've chosen a green color, but this is overlapping the leaf over here.
Okay, so I'll crop it.
That could be worked upon. And also this size and this font size, they are not matching. And a black color on a brown color is not looking good. Maybe you can make it a lighter color. So quickly do these, and then later, whenever you get time, fetch time, send it on the WhatsApp group.
Okay.
Is there anyone else who would like to share their poster?
Sir,
You sent me. I didn't see it on the chat box.
WhatsApp, sir.
Okay, you are able to send on the WhatsApp group. That's amazing. Yeah, fine. Then we can share on the WhatsApp group itself. What better than that? So everyone, please share, download and share your WhatsApp.
Sir?
Yes, Arnav?
Can you please tell me your email because I'm on my dad's account?
You want me to tell my email?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll put it on the group.
Sir, my mother's not here right now. She's in my cousin's house.
Okay, you can download and keep it, and you can send it to me by any means.
Okay, sir.
WhatsApp or link, or I've sent out the email on the chat box. You can send it there as well. Yeah, so this is all we had for this session. Thank you so much. I hope I'm able to address better in the future sessions, and feel free to reach out at any point of time. Okay. With this, I'd take off from here. Thank you so much, everyone.